Good morning, all of you. I hope you all guys are doing good till today or as of now. Now you must be wondering from where I am, what do I do? Anyways, no doubts. I think you must be, seeing at my background, so that tells all. My name is James and Joseph, and I'm from the prestigious IELTS Institute, which I would say is one of the largest in India and I would say in Asia. I have been working here for the past 3 years. Maybe I would say it is quite a good long experience I have, and I have learned a lot of new things from this place. Now let me come to the point. Let me be very specific, not wasting your time. Now speaking is one problem which most students have, especially students from our place. They have a lot of issues like grammar, the pronunciation, the intonations, so much. And you name them, there is a huge list. Anyways, I'm not going to talk about all of them today, just one. Now I think you must be all wondering or knowing that for your speaking, there is a small module called cue card, which lasts for about 3 minutes. 1 minute is for your preparation and 2 minutes is for your speaking, non-stop speaking. Now sometimes, I come across students who say, sir, I spoke well, but I was not able to score 7 band. Now what is the reason for it? Now with my intensive training here and with a huge load of experience, now what I have noticed is, now when it comes to a cue card, when a student gets a cue card, for example, it is about a favorite movie. Which is it? When did you go? With whom? And maybe things you like about the movie. This is the sequence of your cue card. Now what most students I have seen doing for the past, many years is they go detailedly writing about the particular answer for this particular sub-question. Now remember one fact, you just have 60 seconds to prepare this, and you just go writing a detailed report of each and every sub-question. It's not going to work out. So most students, they end up either not preparing for the remaining or maybe the last 2 sub-questions, or they will just end up doing a lot of preparations which is not required for your speaking. Now, this is the main reason why your speaking is between 5 or 5.5 and 6, or maybe I would say 6.5. Now what can be done for this? Now there are students who need 6, or maybe there are students who score 7 and 7.5 and 8. So how do they score? Now I'll just give you a small tip for this. Instead of, for example, we'll take the same sub-question or the cue card, your favorite movie. Instead of going for the detailed description of that particular point, what you can try practicing is just go for the bulletin points. That is, your favorite movie, I would say Iron Man. When did you watch it? 2 months ago. With whom? With my friends. Where? In my hometown. Things you like about that movie, fine. The script, the way that characters are portrayed, fine. The graphics in that particular movie, fine. Then maybe you talk about the sound clarity, or maybe it's a 4K, it's a 5K, whatever it is. See, that's enough. And this will not take more than 30 seconds. You can try it if you want. So what this will help student to do is, in the remaining 30 seconds, he or she can just prepare this. She can build a topic on this. I hope this small tip will be of some use for you if you're interested to score between 6.5 and 7.5, or maybe even more than that. You try these kind of small things. I just wish that you could score. So this for today. For remaining small tips, surely I'll be joining you very shortly. And if you have any updates, you can please post it on our website. Thank you. Have a nice day.